Hola familia, how's it going? So, a CEO and a software engineer decide to make pasta in the middle of the night. And it goes like... But, oh man. Alright, so what I tried to do is I had this right here, right? And I tried to pour it. And I think I got all the water out. It doesn't look like any water's coming out anymore. But I made a mess, and I feel like at least a quarter of pasta is now gone. And maybe now I have to do it backwards now?
Yeah.
No, wait.
It's fine, go ahead.
No, wait, it's just that if I do it, then all the water is going to go back over here. So it doesn't make sense to do it.
Just a small amount of water is fine.
Maybe if I put this in the pan, and that way, okay. Alright, plate. Get that spoon. Let me get this spatula. Yeah, right. Ta-da! Okay. I think maybe next time we gotta put more oil. Nice, okay, we got it. Okay, so now I can do this. Yes. Okay. And now I can also do this. Okay, here. Wait, hold it. No, don't do that. Hold the pasta in the pot, and then pour it. Yeah, like that. And then I go like this. Okay. Yeah, I think that drained most of the water, right?
Oh, there are still
Here. I don't care. I know it's a pan. Just put it in the pan. Oh, okay. Oh, right. That's not hot. Wait. Now what? Okay, wait. Oh my gosh. Wait, hold up. So I gotta... good, right?
Good.
Oh my gosh. We got it. This time just still a little between. Okay, you want more sauce on yours?
Yes, please. More juice.
Split it down the middle. Alright guys, so here I have special guest. His name is Thomas. Hi. And he's gonna give me his honest opinion about the pasta and salmon. Hey Thomas. Alright, so what do you think of the salmon and pasta?
Oh, salmon is really great.
Yeah?
And pasta is like it's like a rich of tomatoes. Really nice. Awesome.